Hello guys, my name is Chris. Welcome to CryptoPeer. Today, I will be talking about rising wedge and falling wedge pattern. So, rising wedge and falling wedge are basically your guide to a better trade, to systematic trade, actually. So, let's start with the rising wedge. This one is a rising wedge, as you can see here. This one is an ascending channel. It's basically an ascending channel, and you have a buying entry here, and you have, as you can see, there's a green line here because this is the wedge target. This is this is what you're waiting for. This is where you want to buy again. So buy here, and then expect the price to drop when it reaches the top. That's why you also have to look at the volume, so you can say that the price is already dropping, and then you have to sell. Okay, so look at the volume. When the price is, when you think that the momentum is declining already, you sell and then target the wedge bottom for another buying entry. And it happens, actually. You see here, it happened here. You sold here, for example, and the price dropped and it went even lower. But even if you enter here, as you can see, even if you enter here at the wedge target, this is what happened. Okay, you had a temporary loss and the price went back up, so you're still in profit. See? So now let's talk about falling wedge. Falling wedge basically is the opposite of a rising wedge, and so when the rising wedge targets the bottom of the wedge, then the falling wedge targets the top of the wedge. And since it's the exact opposite, falling wedge is a bearish pattern. It's a bullish pattern instead. So let's see. For example, you are entering this falling wedge. Okay. Some people, some professional traders are shorting this pattern. When I say short, you buy here and you take profit on the lower side because you are betting for Bitcoin to go down rather than to go up. So in most exchange platforms, they have short trades there that you can enter. So but in Binance, I recommend that you use BTC down token in spot market because it gives you a big leverage. Anyway, so we are in the falling wedge here. Okay, falling wedge. You see that there's already a bullish pattern here, or a bullish divergence. Then buy again, and then since the target of the falling wedge is the top of the wedge, then it's probably going up to this level. So it happened actually. There's a sell-off here in this area. Since we're already here, you can assume that this is another rising wedge pattern. You understand? So it's like a cycle. Falling wedge, rising wedge, falling wedge, and rising wedge again, and falling wedge. Okay, so that's basically the understanding of rising wedge and falling wedge. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and you use this pattern on your trades. Okay, so you won't get lost. even up until now, with the recent Bitcoin scenario, we're still in the wedge. Okay, so okay, that's it. Have a nice day and happy trading. Bye.